Hi guys, my name is MJ. Welcome to the Two Toys channel. Finally, I got these two in my hands and I can do a proper comparison because I've actually seen a couple of them around. I've seen photos, they did cross my hand on one or two, but I've never got a chance to really look at them until this round, and I want to really share with you guys to see a couple of differences between Timothy and Pierre's take and also Fuelme's take on the RWB Medusa Supreme. Now, I did a very quick homework on this Medusa model. It was made in it was built roughly, if I see it correctly, right? It's 2017. It was all in red at the time, and then the Supreme logo was actually slapped on a little later. I think like maybe under a month after that, I guess. It's a pure guess. If you do have more accurate information, do let me know in the comment section below. Right. However, it is quite a topic, when you slap on this Supreme logo on top of an RWB. So some people like it, some people don't really like it, but love or hate it, I think that the red on that copper Volks TE37, that is really something to behold. It is really a really very nice combination of the red and the copper. So the name Medusa came about because the owner, JM Yang, based on the interview that I saw that he did, basically it's because of his experience with RWB when he sees, especially when he fell in love with Akira Nakai's Stella. The experience is like, when you do see it on the road, right? When you do see it, you pretty much stares at it and you just can't shake it off your eye. You're just like a CCTV, you just go and follow it. So it kind of turns sort of, I understand when he says it kind of turns you into a stone, hence the name Medusa, which actually relates to the woman monster with a lot of snake on her head kind of thing, and if you stare at her and you become a stone and something like that. So that is sort of how the name came about. Okay. So why Supreme? Based on the info that I see as well, JM, the owner of this RWB, said that he has a lot of respect for this brand, Supreme. So my understanding that Supreme is actually a skateboard brand that was that came up in that was founded in 1994 in US, and since then they have made things exclusive in low numbers, and that is part of the reason why there are things that are so highly sought after. It's also because of their very unique design, and it's really very iconic. When you see Supreme, you'll think exclusivity. Hence, I think recently you would have seen quite a lot of Supreme stuff flying around. Yeah, so I guess that's some of the story behind it, and without further ado, let's just go straight to it. The very first obvious difference is the wheels. Okay, we'll get to the wheels later on. The Timothy and Pierre version, they did 1,599 pieces. Okay, it has running number, so mine is number 1369. All right, and then for the Fuelme, they made slightly less. It's a running number as well, 1,499. Mine is 1162 or 8. Okay, both have white base. Okay, and yeah, both spots the white base. Packaging is very Fuelme has went for very traditional, their own packaging. No major difference with any of their previous models. Okay, so this is a official collaboration product. Okay, you can see there, and then yeah, that's pretty much quite straightforward, not suitable for kids under 14 years old. Okay, and then if Timothy and Pierre, you do see there with the support and approval from RWB. So both are actually licensed RWB product, but I don't think that they are licensed Porsche product. But I do see a logo on top there. Okay. Okay, so Timothy and Pierre went for the background, right? The background sleeve. They went on ahead and print the actual car in motion. I think this is actually quite nice. Okay, RWB 19. That's what I see as well. From the what I Google, right? This is actually based in the Medusa is actually based in US, in California. That's based on the article in 2017. So maybe it's still the same. So for Fuelme, went for a more graffiti kind of sleeve at the back. I do quite like it being messy, but then again, you can still recognize quite a few very recognizable brands. Babe, Hello Kitty. I don't recall what's the brand of this pig. There's South Park. There's Coke, and yeah. Okay, and let's. I want to take a look at the Fuelme one first. So I'll just pop the Timothy and Pierre version aside. I kind of prefer the Fuelme version, but let's see. So it's double screwed on. This one somehow from my previous shipments, right? This kind of case do tend to be damaged a little bit more, higher chance of damage. They're usually damaged on the sides, so I'm really lucky that this round of shipment we don't have that issue. There's that super strong sticker on both sides to hold the casing. I just don't quite like this kind of sticker, because you see, then I need to do that, and when I need to do this, it will pretty much leave a stain there. So yeah, I'm not sure if I use lighter fluid, will it remove it without a stain, but looks like I can just rub it off. I think I got it off. Hopefully, I think I got it off a little bit. Yeah, but I can still see it there. Yeah, so part of the reason why I don't quite like that kind of sticker, it's really very annoying. You know what? Yeah, I'm just gonna try to pry it open. No, I can't. Damn it. Okay, pardon the cleaner. The cleaner's machine, I think, is running. He's running that cleaning cart thing on the lower ground floor. Hence, the sound is actually coming up to the shop as well. Okay. Let's get to it. Wait, hello. Still stuck. Okay. Yes, finally. Oh, okay. So this one feels quite solid. It is quite heavy. It is quite a nice feel to it. The base. Okay, got a little bit of black stain there. Now I can't scrape it off. But on the first look, it does look really nice. Okay, Fuelme has been making really nice RWB so far. The roll cage detail on the inside, the bucket seats, that's very nice. Yeah, I still don't know what's the name of this thing. This system thingy window slider thing. Yep. So Fuelme has went on and did that detail. It's very nice. I still really like the shape of this thing, the 993. Even more so in that RWB shape. Oh, look at that! Look at the red. Damn. Oh, I just really like how the thing, how the red really stands out. That's actually very nice. All the edges are actually quite sharp, huh? Okay, where is my screwdriver? Let's get it out of the base and let's see what do we have here. So these are double screw. Okay, feels they're nice and tight. Yes. Okay. Woohoo! That's quite long, eh? Okay, let's get it out of the base. Okay, let's show you the base a little bit. There you go. There's a bit of details underneath. The mufflers are painted. Okay. Nice. Very nice. Very nice. In fact, I've not used this diorama for some time now. Makes me think, you know, maybe it has been a while since I've did a RWB. I've did a RWB showcase. So, yeah. What do you think about my diorama? This one is actually made by Shaf on Instagram. Do look up for him. Okay. While I talk to you, I'm just gonna go ahead and open up the Timothy and Pierre. Let's check that one out. So yeah, the yep, it has the Timothy and Pierre has that stupid sticker thing again. That's just so annoying. Mine has this weird stain on it. This stain, right? I think it's from the plastic packaging or somewhere. I don't know why it has so much of this stain all over. Anyway, I'm gonna get it out. Yep. So as I was saying, this diorama is actually I've ordered it from Shaf on Instagram, SYAFF_R. He makes these diorama, and the figures behind, maybe I've seen them before. These ones are actually made by Chrome Bandit. Okay, they're on Instagram as well. Do follow them there. That's Christian Kojin and also Nakai-san with his very famous Boss lounge chair. Okay, and then I have parts. These parts, the oil barrel, those are from Legit 64. They are on Instagram as well. Do check them out. Okay, and I am on Instagram as well. Remember to follow me there, virtutoys.mj. And while we are at it, I'm doing a little bit of advertisement. Do hit the subscribe button. Okay, so I've got it out of the base. I've got it out to the base. Okay, so this one has a running number 1369. So this one does look quite decent as well, but the level of light reflection, right, it is not as crazy as the Fuelme. This one, the white light reflection is a little bit more muted in a way. Okay, but it still does look really nice on the copper Volks T37. Okay. Shit. Damn, looks so good. It's the red. It's the red, I tell you. The red, the white, and the freaking copper. That is the thing. That three thing that is the one that makes me go, oh, love it, love it. Okay, I'm just a little afraid that I'm gonna drop it on the floor. So yeah, let's just do it here by the table. Yeah, there you go. There you go. Okay, got it out. Okay, so it's double screwed as well. Both are racing models, both are racing models. If you didn't know already. Okay, hence the price tag is actually very close to each other. Retail price, the Fuelme is slightly more expensive. Okay, compared to the Timothy and Pierre. On the onset, right, there is a little bit of difference on especially the top. Okay, the way it's being done. The what do you call that? Damn, I don't know what you call that anymore. What's that opening part on top? Oh my god. It's been a bit of a long day, so pardon me if my brain kind of I'm getting a bit of brain freeze. So you see the shape, right, of this two things. The Fuelme does look a little bit bigger. Okay, it does look a little bit bigger. So yeah, I do quite like a little bit. Kind of prefer the shape of the Fuelme. I don't know why. Just something about it that I kind of prefer the Fuelme version. But the Timothy and Pierre does look pretty decent actually. Okay, so let's just hold it like that. Yep. Okay, let me get the Fuelme one. So both are resin, so they are really very light. Light to in a way it feels a little bit strange. Okay, there you go. I kind of prefer the Fuelme Volks version. They are thicker. The spokes are thicker compared to the Timothy and Pierre version. Okay, so we have seen the Fuelme version, but For the Timothy and Pierre version, the base is really very simple. Okay, compared to the Fuelme version, it has that muffler complete, while the Timothy and Pierre doesn't have that, unfortunately. Okay, I do remember seeing the bucket seats are red on the real thing. Timothy and Pierre has done it in black, so I don't recall. I don't know if the black is accurate or the red. Tell me. Okay, tell me. So do let me know, and yeah, do let me know in the comment section below, right? Okay. The front hook, it does look different as well. Timothy and Pierre did it in red. Fuelme did it in black. Alright, both have that emblem, the Porsche emblem. The front. Okay. From the side, let's see. From the side, they are both very similar. Very nice the way both sits. The ride height is actually just nice. Okay, let me just twist it to the back. Let's check out the ass. Okay, so Timothy and Pierre did it a little bit higher. I think the Timothy and Pierre version on the left, that does look a little bit more realistic, that height, compared to the one with Fuelme, because I do remember it having all this extension. The RWB bodies always have that extension. Okay, that looks a little bit more accurate. Both have their side mirrors. Okay, and the details at the back. I still kind of feel overall the Fuelme ones look a little bit better here and there. Timothy and Pierre did the roll cage as well. Okay, let's just see. Okay. Alright. So both have the wipers. They are a separate piece, okay, rather than part of the windscreen. That is nice. See from the top again. There is some slight detail to the back of the car on the Fuelme compared to Timothy and Pierre, which does not have that. The shade of red is actually very close to each other, but somehow the Fuelme version does look a little bit more shiny. Okay, and the angle of that, the angle of the headlamps. Okay, the angle of the headlamps. I don't know. The Fuelme version kind of looks slightly better. See how? Yeah, it does look slightly better compared to Timothy and Pierre's version. Okay, but overall, you know, both are really quite comparable. So I think then, you know, at that point, it kind of boils down to which brand you collect, I guess. If you're a brand collector, if you're not a brand collector, I think if you just want a Supreme, I think Fuelme does look a little bit nicer. I do quite like that, you know, if you see here, right, on the windscreen in front, it has that black border, okay, while the Timothy and Pierre didn't do that. So yeah, I kind of prefer the Fuelme version, if you ask me. Yeah. All right. Okay. So yeah, I think that's pretty much my comparison video, and also a first look for these two RWBs. As usual, I will be taking close-up photos of them and putting them on my Instagram. Remember to follow me there, virtutoys.mj. Remember to hit the subscribe button and the bell, alright, so that you don't miss on any of my awesome diecast videos. Okay, stay safe guys, take care, and thanks for watching. Bye.